Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow crown. Let's learn how to draw a crown. Let's get started. Some circles here. Now I decorate it. Ooh, it's really nice. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with the gems. For the biggest one, I use red, then orange, yellow, light green, and light blue. I use purple here. For the circles, I am going to use pink and then fuchsia. For the rest of the crown, I am going to use this fluorescent yellow marker. Wow, it looks great! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!